Hello TUF team. So this is my interactive wall calendar project that was given as an assignment for the SWE internship this summer. So this was built using Next.js 14 frame of motion, handling the animations. I focused a lot on keeping the experience smooth, responsive, and something that you would actually want to use. So starting with the theming, you can switch between light mode and dark mode, and instead of snapping, it transitions smoothly, which just feels better visually. Now, when I move between months, the background updates with the new hero images. As you can see, these images are being fetched dynamically from picsum.photos. So every month feels slightly different. On top of that, the UI adapts to the image. Dominant colors are extracted, like as you can see here, it's sort of brown. So those are extracted and used for highlights and active states. So the whole interface kind of rethemes itself automatically without any manual styling. Now let's get back to April 8th. Navigation uses what I describe as misty pop-in kind of effect. The current month gently fades out, and while the next one fades in with a slight scale effect. It's subtle, but makes the transition feel softer and more pleasing to the eyes. Now, for interactions, you can select single dates. As you can see, it shows April 9th, or you can select multiple dates. Like if I click on a date and then hold down shift, it previews the range before I confirm it. So I know exactly what I'm selecting. You can also use the keyboard arrow keys to move around and select the date range. So you don't really need a mouse once you get used to it. Now, for each selected date or range has its own notes. So instead of global note section, everything is context specific. So if I type something here like uh, this is my assignment submission video, and I hit refresh. It stays in the persistent memory. So without needing any backend, it can handle settle things like these. Now for the mobile view, the layout actually adapts across screen sizes. On smaller screens, everything stacks vertically to stay usable and touch friendly. Uh, so overall, the goal here was to take a very everyday tool like a calendar and throw in some of my effects and showcase what I can actually do as a front-end developer. So that's pretty much it. Feel free to check out the GitHub repo. And this is actually deployed on the web. So you can see it was deployed using Vercel as it uses Next.js. So yeah, feel free to check the repo